Connor's first birthday.
Ready? Happy birthday, buddy.
Dig in.
Do it. Get in there.
What is
What
it?
it is.
No. What is it? Try it out. Ooh. Practice for your party on Saturday. Is it good? It's your very own cake.
Go ahead, handle this.
It's your very own cake. It's whipping cream. Yum. It's got
Thank
cinnamon
you.
in it and apple juice. Your favorite. It's your very own cake. It's okay. Take your time. It'll come. It'll happen.
Don't get no more to plate.
You're doing great. You can dig in and just try it all. Yeah. It's okay.
He says, I'm not sure what to do with this.
It's okay.
I'm not sure what to do with this.
Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Now you're getting into it. I just gotta get my groove on. Yeah. Hey, birthday boy. How does it feel to be one, huh? You had a big day. You got your first haircut today. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You were such a good boy. No tears. And then we went to lunch, where you were a good boy.
Put your finger in there.
And then we went to the Creative Discovery Museum. Oh! Say silly, Dada.
Bye.
Mmm.
It looks like he likes it.
Mm-hmm. Probably getting full with all he ate. He had his favorite meal for dinner, potato soup and grilled cheese. Yum. Let's just stick with the icing, he says.
Oh, he's picking that piece up.
Wow. Want to try a bite?
Have a bite. There you go.
Yum. It's peach and blueberry. Peach and blueberry cake just for Connor. Mmm. Some of your favorite food. Say nummy nummy. I'm so glad you like it.
Mamu? You get Mamu?
Because it's nummy nummy for sure.
Yeah, Mamu.
Nummy nummy for
Mamu
sure.
and Mamu. I get a little more icing here on this piece.